Hi and welcome. This is a quick video for blogtactics.com. I wanted to show you what it looks like when your blog or website is under a concentrated attack and how it should still remain safe and secure if you're using the right tools and techniques, which is what I cover in the Blog Defender 2020 course, which I'll cover towards the end of this video. So let's head over to my inbox so you can see what I actually mean. Okay, so we can see the first site lockout notification came in at 4:48 this morning. Basically, this attack started just before 5 a.m. I guess they're assuming I'm in bed, so not going to notice anything going on. Fortunately, I have my blog locked down with very good security plugins and settings to make sure that it can't be hacked easily. Obviously, nothing is 100% secure, but it's a long while since I've actually had a blog hacked. Now, the notifications here, you can see this one is IP 120.24. This one, different IP, this one, a different IP. So you can see they're probably using some sort of bot army, other people's machines that have been taken over, something like that, and running the attack through a whole variety of different IPs. And you can see the attack, as I say, it starts just before 5 a.m. And if I scroll up, you can see it's going on and on and on and on. Now, in fact, this inbox is just the site notifications, site lockout notifications now, and currently there's over 270 of them. I can keep scrolling for quite a while here. Let's do it the quicker way. You can see this is just lockout notifications, my site being protected from these people trying to hack into it, because I've got the right plugins and the right security settings in place to stop people being able to get in. Now it's now 6 p.m. the next day, so the hack or the attempted hack has been going on for 12-13 hours now. I'm not worried because the site is locked down and secure. If you'd like to learn how to do the same, then simply pop over to blogtactics.com and click on the link here for Blog Defender 2020. Now, this is the latest version of my blog security product, which I've been selling since 2013 and have sold over 6,000 copies. It is proven to work. And even better news, right now we've got a special offer running, so you can grab a $10 discount to get my top-selling blog security training course with the plugins that you need to secure your blog to make sure that if you are attacked, your blog remains safe. Thanks very much for watching. Please check out blogtactics.com.